So Draco85 has a fascinating project. A cable recycling plant that can pre-shred scrap electrical cables, granulate the pre-shredded materials, build a water chute to separate plastic from the copper. Has to be able to run on my pre-existing solar array, making it free to use when the sun is shining. This is so cool! And there's actually a video that we can see. Let me just check this out. All right, here we go. We're gonna... Yeah, look, there's Draco. Draco, of course, hearkening back to the days when I used to play games in high school with the 4:3 resolution. There it is. So, look at this. This is insane. This is like so much more hype. Oh my god. All right, hey, get him, Draco. All right, let's go ahead and feed it. I don't know if this electrical cable is what's being ground up or whether that's water going into there. I think it's actually being ground up. Am I understanding this correctly? Because at first I thought that was a hose, and I thought that this hose was going to be making the water. But no, you're actually just shredding that. And look at this. Look at this great camera angle. There it is. It's getting all chopped up. That's what I'm talking about. Is there sound? There is, and it's playing some music, so I don't know if it's copyrighted. And if this channel gets banned, I stop being able to buy CC more blankets. Oh, the princess is gone. She's probably sleeping in the bed. Look at this dope workstation. I have no idea what that was. Oh, I see. Now I'm seeing it. I mean, this is the most out of control cool thing. Like, literally, an electrical cable shredder that will filter out the components. I don't know if this is because it's being sped up or whether there's just an increased throughput. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the annotations. We're going to go to, 2x speed. All right, so we're speeding up what you speeded up from shredding to granulation. Oh my god, that is so cool. Look at this. The water is pulling the bits down and filtering. Oh, here comes some more gunk. Oh my god, absolutely shredded. This is beautiful, because the thing is that almost all of the engineering that I do is code. I mean, I have an Arduino. I've fiddled with it, but an Arduino is like doing that, but for babies. And look, you can see the copper getting caught on those first few slats. My god, like you're creating your own California gold rush. And look, here's all the plastic junk at the end. I mean, that's just incredible. That's just incredible. That's such a sick project. That's such a sick project. I consider this project is done, but there are many things to improve over the summer/year, but in all the concept works. Just needs a few tweaks here and there, made a little video, nothing fancy. That's completely untrue. That's fancy as fuck. But I want to see this, which is week 1, order the last parts, build the granulator. Continue building the granulator, making a few accessories for the pre-shredder, testing and filming the whole setup, tweaking the things that might need it, and then the same thing there. I like these week goals as a sample inspiration for your future DK30s. Get the stuff, start building it, and then literally half of the allocated time is just tweaking and filming. And so, in a sense, this 30-day project, in a generalized way, is I'm going to spend just over a week making this thing, and I think I can get it done in a week. So let's allocate a month. And I feel like psychologically, what this does is it makes you feel ahead of the game. Even when I give myself little tasks, like let's imagine that I'm making a Mega Man style game, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna make 2 weapons for this Mega Man character and make it jump and move around. When I finish that, then I get excited. I'm like, ooh, let me make 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 weapons to add to this Mega Man character. What if I added another movement option? Because I had a small task that I finished early, then I can add to it. Whereas if I tried to spec out everything, I would feel like I'd never get close to 50% completed. So this is nice to sort of like pad with more time on either side.